There's still so much to do. Hey, what's up? It's Julia here, and in this video we're going to be cleaning out my closet and my room at my parents' house. If you guys are OGs here, you probably remember my Tiffany blue room. I'm gonna give you guys a whole overview of the mess. It's spring, you know, I gotta do some spring cleaning. So if you watched my previous video, you would know that I recently moved apartments. Basically, I had a bunch of stuff from my old place that I decided just to pack and bring here. Basically, I'm gonna go through all of my stuff here and all of that stuff and get rid of the stuff here that I don't want, give it to Goodwill, sell things that are expensive, whatever, and fill up my closet here with all my stuff from there. So if you're not already subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe for more weekly vlogs, and give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the cleaning. So you walk into my room, and this is my vanity desk area. It's very cluttered. Then we have my couch right here, which I'm actually not sleeping on there as a bed. I just have this sheet over it because I'll show you, but the couch, for whatever reason, is completely ripping. It's really sad. I love this couch. I'm gonna have to get a new one pretty soon, but these are my pillows, my blanket, my computer stuff. This is actually my bed. It's a desk that turns into a bed, and when you pull this thing, oh, I have that there with all my jewelry that I need to go through. Once you pull that out, it turns into a bed. And it's my little Hollywood sign, because I used to live in Hollywood twice. Hee. And then we have a bunch of clothes on top of here. Some sheets, a package that I got from Benefit, and these are my suitcases that I brought from LA, a yoga mat, and my organizer with some junk on top of it. Closet number one, which, whoa, why isn't it opening? Crap. That was a struggle and a half to open. Let me show you what's in here. This closet is full of junk. This is like some storage stuff up here that I obviously like don't use. These are all dresses from like middle school and younger. My makeup drawers, which I need to go through that. We have all my electronic boxes. We have my nail polishes in there. I need to go through all of this because some of this stuff is just really old. Now for the real mess. This is my closet. I have clothes all over the floor, clothes in these shelves and accessories, and then I have a bunch of like totes and other traveling bags up here. School stuff from when I was in high school. I don't know, like prom, yearbooks, camera. Then we have fancy dresses and all of this. This is just a mess. This is like all my sweatshirts, pillows. So that's the situation we're working with. Now for a montage of me cleaning everything. This is gonna take me forever. Okay, so I took everything that was on the floor of my closet, threw it on my couch. I'm not really gonna do that homemade calendar thing where you take all the clothes and you throw in your bed. I'm just kind of gonna do things in sections because I realize I have a lot of stuff and I really just need to go through it, hold on to things because there's so many memories and all this stuff, because I'm like, I love clothes for the memories of them. But a lot of times they either don't fit me or I just would not wear them anymore. So as much as I want to keep them for the memories, I have to get rid of them because I know I want to have like a cute closet of things that I can actually wear and not just like an overstuffed closet of old shit. So this is the pile of things that I'm giving away, and same with the bathing suits. These ones I can't tell. I feel like I need to try them on. I can't tell if they're gonna fit me because my size has changed a lot since I got them. So I feel like they could potentially be too big, but they could also still fit. It's hard to tell. And then this stuff here is try on. These are just like pajamas. I might get rid of them, but yeah. That's my brother's sweatshirt that I'm keeping for sure. And then I have these shorts I need to try on. So then over here, this is a pile of things that I need to get but altered to my size. These are like nice designer pieces. Versace, Versace, Versace. I got it at TJ Maxx for like, it's not cheap, it's 200 bucks, but compared to the actual price, which was 500 bucks, super cheap. And I've never been able to wear it because the way it buttons, it doesn't fit me, but if I were to move the buttons, which I'm gonna have the seamstress do, then it will fit me and it'll be super cute. And then I have this underneath, and then I have this suit jacket underneath that has a slight tear in it that needs to be fixed, and these pants from Topshop that need the waist to be smaller because I lost my belly fat. So I'm gonna move the try-ons to the bed, grab some more stuff. I just opened up this bag of like sentimental things that I had since the dawn of LA that I brought back here like last year. And oh my god, I found a bunch of like throwback pictures. You guys are gonna die. Okay, does anybody remember my roommate Austin? Throwback. So right. There's Tori, Tila, Chloe, me, Adeline, and Amanda. When was the last time we've all been in the same room? And then me and Adeline. So cute. This is me and my other old roomie, Carly. You've probably seen her in some videos. This is me and Paige when I first moved to LA the second time around. I was so skinny here. And then me and Paige again. And then I think that's Jill and that's Mia. Oh my god. Okay, this was me and my old manager, Triana. And then another one of the girlies. I abruptly had to empty out this closet all over onto here because my mom's contractors needed to get into this little door in my closet that leads to oblivion. I don't know, it's like Narnia in there. Maybe I'll never know what's in there. For years and years and years, I tried to convince my parents to build me like a giant like closet or like filming room in there, but they were like, that's too much money, we're not down. Never happened. But also, I just found this headband in that thing where all the clothes are. I have a bunch of hair stuff in there, and this headband was in there, and I got it when I was 12, and guys, it's literally Burberry. Like, like what? I had better taste as a 12-year-old than I do now because I bought a bunch of like designer accessories, and I know I bought them cheap because it was with my own money, and I wasn't making that much money when I was 12. Like I was babysitting and birthday money. So I don't know what it is, but I saved it all. So I mean, like, go me for being a smart 12-year-old. So we're gonna start organizing all this stuff. So I stopped working on my room for a bit after taking all of this stuff out and these back. So besides a few dresses that I had in there, all the stuff in my room closet is mostly makeup and electronics. And I don't want to be mixing makeup and electronics with clothes stuff that's all over my couch and my bed. So I'm gonna put all that back in there just for now so I can focus on the clothing and not get completely overwhelmed.
Tomorrow.
So it's actually the next day, March 28th, and I ended up taking all the stuff from my couch and my bed and putting it in these bags. But I got tired last night and it got dark and I decided to stop filming, so yeah. And I also didn't try them on because I was tired. So I want to go through my closet a little bit more, and I don't know what I'm gonna do about this closet. I might just put everything back and then like slowly go through it another time soon. I don't know, but let's see what's going on in my closet right now. Okay, so we got all the stuff off the floor except for that. I don't know what to do with all these sheets and stuff. I want to get rid of a bunch of shoes. These are gonna go in my giveaway pile, and this pile needs to be put away. I want to put these sentimental items in a box. There's still so much to do and I want to finish today. Let's get started. All this cleaning is stressing me out. Like, I just decided to take a break. I had a piece of like coffee cake, and then I watched like a few cleaning room closet YouTube videos because I guess everyone had the same idea since it's spraying and cleaning and whatever. Like, I need to just get rid of things, but I'm a hoarder. I grabbed this big bin from my closet of hats. I thought I'd go through this with you and we can decide if I'm gonna keep or not. Betsy Johnson hat that I still have the tag on, definitely keeping. Should take the tag off. Betsy Johnson gloves, are they so cute? Juicy gloves, so cute. Bitch Please blue gloves from Urban Outfitters. I never wear accessories when it comes to like winter stuff. Maybe it's because I live in LA. Betsy Johnson, just like the blue one. We're keeping these. Big ass hat, do we keep it? Is it cute? I'll keep it. Okay, this hat has a funny story. I might give it to my brother because he likes beanies, but I bought this hat for a guy that I was talking to maybe like senior year of high school because he loved hats, beanies with pom-poms on them, and I was like, this is so cute, I'll get it for him. And then by the time it got to my house in the mail, we stopped talking. So I guess it's my hat now. Oh my god, I love this hat so much. It has a bunch of holes in it, but it's Fendi and I just like can't give it away. And if I could find a new one of this hat, then I will, and I will get it. I think moths ate this hat, but I got this so freaking long ago. Probably doesn't look good on me right now. I think it looks better if my hair is straight. It's baby pink, it's my aesthetic. This is my BCBG baseball cap. I'll keep her. Guys, this hat has a funny story. I customized a snapback back when snapbacks were cool, and I thought I'd be like, this is embarrassing. Okay, I have this pink Ed Hardy baseball cap. You never know, like I feel like Ed Hardy could come back eventually. This isn't cool anymore, but I think I'm gonna keep her because I love pink and maybe I can make her cool again. Okay, this hat was from Rachel's birthday party in 2017 when we went to Turks and Caicos, and I kind of just want to keep it because like that was a good trip and I have good memories, so keeping her. Then we have this North Face pink hat. Oh my god, I was so young. I must have been like 9 or 10 when I got this. All right, now I just need to fit all this stuff back into here. Then I decided I don't want to get rid of like any of it. Me. Okay, so this is like all the stuff I'm giving away. I know it may not look like it, but I made a lot of progress with the closet. Okay, and then the other thing I have to do is organize this stuff. I'm low-key feeling kind of lame and I don't want to like clean out all my makeup in there. Okay, so I have this box. These are like purses, bags, and stuff. I found this bag in here. How cute is this, you guys? This is my box of like designer bags. This is my Prada bag. I stopped using it because I broke the zipper. Just like this piece of the zipper broke off, so I can still use the zipper. I stole this from my mom. This is a vintage Dolce & Gabbana bag. I was obsessed with this bag when I was a little kid. Oh my god, all this stuff is like vintagey. Like that's definitely vintage, but a lot of this stuff is like from the early 2000s. Then I have this juicy change purse. Then we have another little juicy clutch change purse thing. Oh my god, you guys. This is old. Wait, what is in here? I always find money in my bags. I always leave money, like not a lot. There's like $10 in here. I don't know, I want to say this is from like 2007, 2008. I miss this, I love this. Oh my god, I should really do a video where I dress like I'm from the early 2000s for a week or something. This is a vintage Dior beauty little thing. My grandma gave this to me when I was like, I don't know, maybe 9 or 10 years old, and to me this was like a purse when I was 9 or 10 because, you know, really small, and I love this thing so hard. I can't get rid of it. Plus, like, my grandma's dead, so, you know, you gotta keep some memorabilia. Okay, this is my favorite part of, like, this video because I'm going through all of my favorite little designer things. This is a Marc Jacobs wallet that, for some reason, I must have got and never used. What the heck? But this is so pretty and it's pink, and I could totally still use this. Oh my god. This was my first juicy anything ever, and this is a little dirty, a little beaten up, but I loved this thing so much. I think I got this when I was like 9 or 10. Whenever I got this one, they're like the same size. Whenever I got this Dior one, I got this for my 5th grade graduation. My mom got this for me. It's so cute. I guess it's a change purse, but to me it was a full-on 5th grader purse. It was loved. It's so loved. Okay, another Coach change purse thing. This thing was like my shit. I kept all my monies and my cards in here for the longest time. Actually, I used to be able to fit my cell phone in here, which this is my cell phone now. I had a cell phone that could fit in here at one point in time. I think it was right there. No way! I love this one, but I love this one so much more. This kind of reminds me of like the vintage Louis Vuitton pattern. I need to buy that bag. Like I'm going to buy a vintage bag like that because I'm obsessed with it. But basically basically this was like one of my favorite little mini purses to carry when I was in middle school. Definitely was putting my phone in here and like my monies, and I was going to Starbucks after school in 6th grade. And because it had a little keychain here and this chain, I turned it into a purse. Like, it's definitely supposed to be a wristlet, but I made it a purse. I always liked purses more than wristlets anyway. We have another Coach wristlet. What the heck is in here? Pads. Wow. And a Purell because I'm a germaphobe AF. Some things never change. This is cute. It's like a Michael Kors makeup bag. This Vera Bradley wallet change purse. Another one in the same color. I have a huge duffel bag in this pattern. Then we had the wristlet in that pattern. My same Vera Bradley pattern wallet with, oh my god. I have a problem. Like, never give me a gift card because I never spend gift cards. Oh, I have a bunch of change in here. That's dope. This is a cute little mini Juicy wallet that I got it when the Juicy outlets were closing. Another Vera Bradley bag. This looks like it could hold an iPad. Kipling purse in pink. I was obsessed with Kipling. I must have took off my little hanging monkey. And then we have this Juicy change purse. So that's all that's in this section of the box. Now let's see what's in the other section. Also, I don't want to get rid of any of this stuff. Guys, what the heck? This is my Juicy like sleepover bag, and this wallet goes with this. Then we have another Kipling bag. Again, I don't know where I put all my Kipling monkeys. I took them off whenever, maybe high school, I decided the monkey was like a no-go, but I still love the bag and it's cute. I used to use this for sleepovers too. We have this bag from French Connection. Also in here, we have 2 tampons, a pencil, a pen, and a Purell, of course. Oh, and some mints. But I think the last time I used this bag was for like a meetup or something. I think I got this when I was 12. The Sport Stack is like a really good brand for like overnight bags. But in here, I have all of my old makeup from I think when I was 12 years old, like before I started YouTube. We have one more makeup bag in here. This is a Clinique makeup bag. I'm not even kidding you. This is the first makeup I've ever had or used in my entire life, so this will be exciting, and I definitely want to use this in a video, so we're not throwing this stuff out. This is my first ever eyeshadow from when I was probably like 4 years old. It's from Bonnie Bell. Just look, we have a green one and a blue one. All I ever wore when I wore makeup was green or blue eyeshadow. And these were my first makeup items. This is the Lip Smackers. This was candy for me, and it's the same brand as this Bon Bell whatever. It kind of smells the same, but it also smells like it's gone bad, but there's no way I'm throwing this out. That was my closet clean out. Here's what the finished closet looks like. It's not like perfectly organized. It's not like the best closet ever. I come here every few months, but I think I want to make it more because I really miss being here, especially with the summer months approaching. I think I want to spend more time in Philadelphia while it's warm. But here's my room now that I've like got everything out of there. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell button, join the Gil fam, become a Jewel, and let me know what kind of vlogs you want to see. Okay, I love you guys so much.